Hi, so we're getting started with this quick video. Let me open again my whiteboard. So when I start sharing my whiteboard, out of these three options, I'll use the option of open the app. As soon as I click on this, you might find an error, and so just ignore this part. This will work in this setup, that is the studio setup within the institute that I'm talking about. So I'll just say click OK. All I did was, I just clicked on this option of screen share, clicked on the whiteboard, and here I have got the whiteboard. Talking about this whiteboard, it might actually open something like this or this. That's up to you. I mean, whatever it is. But I'll keep it here in this half of the screen, and the idea is something very simple. Why we'll realize in a short while. Now, having done that, look at this is the desktop, the Teams window that you're looking at, and this also I'm going to resize it. And the moment I resize it, here I am. Almost about 40 to 40% or 50% of the screen. That's where I am. Now come back. This screen I can always keep it a little bigger so that while I continue to speak to you, I might still use the board. Minimizing this tab. Look at here. Anything that I don't need, I'll minimize. Now on this board, generally, if I have a stylus with me, it's better. Now, just quickly few things. If I want to invite somebody to this medium and I want to collaborate with somebody, that's what I'll invite and get it done there. So that's another part. Here, if you look at, there are multiple options. So some of the things that I'll highlight are the active pen, the various objects. If I want to draw some table into table, there is object snapping. I can export it, I can import stuffs, I can even get in my PDFs, PPTs. The option is there. I can even design the backgrounds. All those options are there. Please experiment, please explore. That's all I will say. So next, what I'll do is let me choose a particular color and start writing down. I might have started by welcoming all of you. I might welcome. That's one part. The text is as freely I'm writing. Next, let me start drawing this box. This is taking auto set. Now I didn't want it to be that way. Now it's complete. No, it's not working out. Fine. Now I've got it right as I would have liked it to be. But inadvertently, as you might realize, I've got that extra bit which I got removed. Now, as I start writing, maybe I'll choose some other color, multicolor. Let me see. This is I'm saying the question marks. These are the stars, right? And maybe I'll choose some other color, just a demo. It's no other reason for against or for the dogs or the cows. So dogs and let's say cows. By now, if you are a student of strategy, you might have realized talking about the BCG metrics. But what I'll do is let me remove the size. So it's an infinity board. There's no issues about that. But let me just draw a line. Maybe I'll use some other color here, green. Now it's the x-axis and y-axis. At this stage, I might ask the students, dear all, can you tell me in this BCG matrix, what is x-axis and what is y-axis? Of course, I might not have to draw it. I might have borrowed my PPT into it. I could have still start doing some calculation on it. So I believe by now you understand what it is happening. So there are multiple options over here. Please explore those options. Now quickly, let me also draw your attention to this part of the screen. What is happening right now in this demo recording? I'm the only one present. But in a regular class, as we have already in a previous sharing that I've done, you might have realized if there are multiple students out here. Right now, Microsoft allows 9 camera views or 9 camera feeds, and they say very soon it will become 49. I'll wait for that. And so if I want their chat, right now this screen seems to be cropping on, that is the chat box, or for that matter participant view. But when it is a regular meeting, the student's picture or the participant's picture doesn't get cropped up. That's given. Now, while I might have used the whiteboard here, please note you could have also used a PPT, your Excel, Word, or any SPSS. I'm sure this demo would go flawlessly. But what if you just wanted to, because of some reason, you wanted this entire screen to be captured? All you have to do is click on this one, you can return. Similarly, for some reason, if I want this Teams screen to be the captured total, and that's as simple as this. Whichever you want to superimpose those diagrams, those windows. And whiteboard, that was what my essential topic for the day was. That's what I've done. But let me just close this window for the time being and try and show you something. Now, note here, the moment I start writing, you'll see on your screen things as on a reverse, on a mirror image, right? Now, why is it? It's because you're seeing things in mirror image. It's because you're seeing my screen or my desktop is being shared. So if I, at some point of the time in the class, if I suddenly feel like using the background, this is the green board, then all I have to do is unshare. Please note, that's what we're talking about. Please unshare this, your desktop sharing, that the output is in the correct order as you would have liked it to be. So that's about it. I think there is no shortcut, as they say, to practice. Please get as much as hands-on practice. But the issue is very simple. Whatever options you will be using on the screen, you should know what it is going to be, how it is going to be visible to the student. Once in a while, you might ask, are you sharing this? Or maybe if you are not genuinely sure about their bandwidth, you might ask some question through the chat box, like let's say I might use this chat box or something. But otherwise, you should know your technology like back of your palm. So content is one part, technological prowess or proficiency is another thing that will help you to have a good delivery. And the last point with which I'll leave you is why this thing looks right now, but the moment I share my desktop or my window even, why it looks opposite is another question.